Hey folks, welcome back, and I promise, after watching this video, your brain is legit going to spin. Because today, there's no boring, memorized review. No copy-paste spec sheet. No same old phone talk. Today, we're talking about a smartphone that hasn't even launched yet, but it's already breaking the internet. A smartphone that's basically every tech fan's wildest dream come true. And yeah, this isn't some minor upgrade, folks, this is the Sony Xperia Pro 2. Straight up beyond science fiction. If you're one of those people who's hungry to see tomorrow's tech today, stick around. Because we're about to check out the phone of your dreams, that might just be in your pocket in a few months. Let's not waste any time. Let's dive in. Design. Folks, the moment you see this design, only one word will come out of your mouth: whoa. This concept is so different, Sony has literally thrown their old playbook out the window. They've built a completely new frame. On the front, boom, an edge-to-edge glass and metal monster. No notch, no punch hole, no cutout, just a bezel-less beauty. It's so immersive that when you watch a movie, you'll feel like the screen never ends. Sony used under-display camera tech here, hidden between the pixels. When you need it, it appears. When you don't, it vanishes. But the real chaos is on the back. Sony split the back panel into two different worlds. On one side, a regular smartphone. On the other side, a 1-inch, 500-megapixel DSLR-like camera attached. I'll say it again, 500 megapixels. And yes, the camera module sticks out a bit, just like a real DSLR lens. You can rotate it, you can manually focus it. Real photography feels. Imagine this. You show up at a wedding. People ask, "Bro, is that a camera or a phone?" And you just smile and say, "Both." And then some. That's the kind of flex no iPhone can match. Yeah, it'll be a little heavy. But that heaviness, that's a quality guarantee. Plastic or aluminum, that's old news. This is made from magnesium alloy, the same metal used in high-end DSLRs. Strong and light, drop it, and the ground gets a dent, not your phone. IP68, old. This is IP69K, meaning high-pressure hot water jets and dirt. The phone doesn't care. You could take this into the shower. Sony also added an anti-reflective coating. So even in blazing sunlight, no shadows on your screen. Just clear, crisp content. Small detail, huge difference. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the soul of this phone, the 500-megapixel, 1-inch sensor. Let me get a little technical, but in plain English. These days you see 200-megapixel phones, but their sensors are tiny. This sensor is 10 times larger than a normal phone sensor. That means even in pitch-black night, your photos will look like they were shot in broad daylight. No noise, no grain, just pure, clean, professional photos. Plus Sony's color science. That's a whole different kind of magic. Red looks red, green looks green, no artificial over-brightening. Zoom. 100x zoom is old news. This has 150x digital zoom. Imagine you're shooting a mountain. Zoom in, and you'll see the pupil of a bird's eye sitting on the peak. And it's an optical digital hybrid zoom, not just a crop. Real details. Video. 8K is out of fashion. This phone records 12K video. Yes, 12K, that means you could pull a 25-megapixel still photo right out of the video. Plus 4K at 240 fps slow-mo, and 1080p at 960 fps ultra slow-mo. And it supports log format recording, what pro videographers use. Full freedom for color grading later. With the Photography Pro 2.0 app, every single pixel is yours in RAW format. This phone will literally teach you how to be a pro cameraman. Oh, and portrait mode now has an AI depth map that captures every single strand of hair in detail. And here's a bonus. Sony includes a customizable physical shutter button with half-press focus, just like a real camera. That little click gives you instant DSLR muscle memory. Display. You take a beastly photo like that, you need a royal screen to view it. 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 1 billion colors. Every red looks like actual red. Every blue looks like deep ocean water. 144 Hz refresh rate. You touch the screen, it glides like butter. Gaming or scrolling, everything is smooth. 4500 nits peak brightness. Forget struggling to see your screen in sunlight. Sit in blazing afternoon sun and watch Netflix, no problem. And it's not just about brightness. 12-bit color depth, that's over 68 billion colors. Every ray of sunlight, every shadow gradient, totally natural. Plus HDR10 Plus in Dolby Vision. Entertainment at a theater level. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. If you drop this phone, the ground should be scared, not you. Even the factory screen protector is pre-installed with zero bubbles. Performance. Who's gonna handle such massive photos in 12K video? Not a truck, you need a rocket. Sony is putting in a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on 2nm technology. That's so powerful that AI and camera processing happen in a blink. 24GB LPDDR6 RAM, yes, 24GB. Your old laptop is gonna feel embarrassed. UFS 5.0 storage, 5GB per second speed. Edit 12K video in seconds. Up to 1TB internal storage, keep all your memories tension-free. And yes, micro SD support, up to 2TB more. But the real hero, thermal management. Without great cooling, this phone would become a nuclear reactor. Sony is adding a super phase change vapor chamber. It works like a liquid cooling system that melts and freezes to absorb heat. Even dedicated gaming phones would fail next to this. For gaming, hours of PUBG on HDR graphics, no burned hands, no dropped frames, no stutter. Plus custom gaming triggers on the body for a real console-like feel. Battery, 9000 mAh, yes, a 9000 mAh monster battery. Charge once, and you're good for 2 days easily. Even with heavy use, a full day. For reference, that's more battery than some tablets. And it's not just big, it's smart. AI learns how and when you use your phone. At night, it charges slowly to protect battery health. In a tough spot, ultra power saving mode, 5% battery gives you 2 hours of standby. Charging, 120 watt hypercharge, 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up with zero battery, go take a shower, come back, phone is full. 50 watt wireless and reverse wireless, your friend's phone dies. Your Xperia brings it back to life. You'll be the hero of every road trip. And the charger is included in the box. Yes, Sony still believes in that. Software and extra magic. Completely clean Android, no bloatware, no junk apps. Straight Android 17, no fat. For professionals. Photography Pro, Cinema Pro, Music Pro, a full studio in your pocket. 4 years of Android updates, 5 years of security patches, fresh and safe for years. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, 5G, all present. Price and launch date. Folks, right now this is just a concept. Sony hasn't actually built it yet. But if it ever comes. Estimated price. $1,800 to $2,000 USD. Why so expensive? Because you're getting a flagship phone plus a mirrorless DSLR plus a pro video device, all in one. A Sony A7R series camera alone starts at over $3,000. Plus a good phone on top. Here, both are together. That's a deal, but yeah, not for everyone. This phone is for creators and professionals. Is it worth selling your old phone, your point and shoot, and maybe your gaming console? Honestly, probably yes. As for launch, it's still a concept, but according to sources, Sony might bring it as a limited edition in December 2026 or early 2027. So, folks, should a phone like this actually become a reality? Would you spend $1,800 on a phone that takes on DSLRs? And most importantly, if this phone magically appeared in your hands tomorrow, what's the very first thing you'd take a photo of? Drop it in the comments below.